Good morning to all of you. Today we'll discuss the estimation, detailed estimation of the some topic that are left remain in some previous lectures. Today we will discuss the estimation of a hexagonal room. Hexagonal room. Question: the plan of a part cross section of a hexagonal room are given in figure. Estimate the quantity of earthwork in excavation in foundation, lime concrete in foundation, first class brickwork in foundation, and plinth in lime mortar and dam proof course. We have to solve these four estimation questions, items of work. We have to determine the estimation of these items of work, four items of work. This is the figure of hexagonal room. One figure represents the plan of hexagonal room, and the second figure represents the cross section of hexagonal room. Plan shows the hexagonal section of room. It contains one door and 5 window Thickness of the wall is 40 centimeter. Now come to the cross sections. This cross section is taken from the door, section 8 door. The height of found footing, height of footing lime concrete is 30 centimeter. First footing is 20 centimeter. Second footing is 20 centimeter. Corresponding width is 70 centimeter for first footing. Corresponding width is 60 centimeter for for second footing, and height for up to ground level from second footing is 30 centimeter, and height from ground level to plinth level is 60 centimeter, and corresponding thickness for plinth is 50 centimeter. Height of wall is 3.5 meter, and so on. And some ceiling are also given at top. DPC is also given at plinth level. This is 2.5 centimeter thick concrete course of 1:2:4 ratio. This is the DPC. DPC is laid at the plinth level. So this is the basically cross sections for this is the sections at the door that is shown in the figure. Height of the wall is 3.50 meter. So firstly we have to calculate the center line. We solve these questions by the center line method. Firstly we calculate the total length of the center line of this wall. So firstly, and then the earthwork in the excavation is, and all other items of work can be calculated. So here dimension of door is 1.20 into 2.10 meter. Dimension of window, sorry, here is window is 1.10 into 1.50 meter. The length of center line and the area of the hexagonal may be calculated as below. Figure represent 1/6 of the hexagon. The sides of the hexagon form equilateral triangle at the center. This is the some triangle. It is triangle by which we can calculate the center line. We have to calculate this center line. This center line portions showing for one portion of this hexagonal part. The length of center line will be 3 plus the center line is calculated from this triangle. So the length of center line will be 3 plus 2 into 0.2 divided by 1060. So length of center line of one side is equal to 3 plus 2 into 0.20 divided by 1060, that is equal to 3.23 for one portion of the this hexagonal part. So it is combined of the six sides are there for hexagonal part. We calculate the center lines length of center line for one part. So total length is calculated by multiply this portion into 6, because there are 6 sides in the hexagonal room. So total length of center line is equal to 6 into 3.23, that is equal to 19.38 meter. So the center line is calculated from the diagram. Total length of center line is calculated from the diagram, and this cross section is used to solve the problems. So next, the detail of measurement and calculation of quantities. Firstly, particular items of work and detail of work. Earthwork in excavation in foundation. So earthwork is done for this. Earthwork is done below ground level, because we have to done the earthwork for the ground level. So length of earthwork is 0.90 meter. Height will be 30 plus 20 plus 20 plus 30, that is equal to 100 centimeter, that is equal to 1 meter. And width is equal to 0.9 meter. So length is 19.38, width is 0.90 meter. Length is we calculated previous, width is 0.90 meter, and height is equal to 1.0 meter. So total quantity is equal to 17.44 cubic meter cube. So that is the earthwork. Second items of work is lime concrete in foundation. Here lime concrete in, this is the 30 centimeter portion. Lime concrete in foundation, this is the done. Here length will remain same, 19.38. Width is 0.90 meter and thickness is 0.30 centimeter. Height is 30.30 meter, 0.30 meter. So length is 19.38, width is 0.90 meter, height is 0.30 meter. Total quantity is equal to 5.23 meter cube. For first class, third item is first class brickwork in foundation and plinth in lime mortar. We have to calculate the first brickwork for foundation. Here is first footing, here is second footing for remaining portion of plinth. First footing is 20 centimeter, second footing is 20 centimeter, or third footing is for plinth is equal to 30 plus 60, 90 centimeter. So for first footing, length will remain same, because it is the center line length, that will always remain constant for different items of work. Center line will remain same, it is 19.38 meter. Length is width is equal to 0.70 meter for first footing, and height is equal to 0.20 meter. Total quantity is equal to 2.70 meter. For second footing, length is 19.38 meter, width is 0.60 meter, and height is 0.20 meter. Total quantity is 2.33 meter cube. Plinth wall, length is 19.38 meter, width is 0.50 meter, and height is 0.90 meter. Total quantity is equal to 8.72 meter cubed. Finally, total quantity summation of footing for first class brickwork for foundation, first footing, second footing, and plinth is equal to 19.76 meter cube. Now finally 2 centimeter DPC. In the figure, DPC is provided above the plinth level. Length will remain constant, 19.30 meter. Thickness is 0.50 meter. Thickness of DPC. Width of DPC is there given in here like This is the DPC provided at the plinth, and the thick width of wall at the plinth is equal to 0.50 meter. 0.50 meter width at the plinth level. So total quantity is equal to 9.69 meter cube. We don't provide the plinth for DPC at the door, so door is deducted. So size of door is, length is 1.20 meter, width is 0.50 meter, quantity is 0.60 meter cube. Total is equal to 9.09 square meter. So it is a abstract sheet. Earthwork in excavation in foundation is 17.44 meter cube. Lime concrete in foundation is 5.23 meter cube. First class brickwork in foundation and plinth in diameter, that is equal to 5.23 meter cube. 2 centimeter DPC, that is equal to 9.09 square meter. So the items of work is calculated. Thank you.